Switching back to a personal account on Instagram is easy and can be done directly from the app. So, today we are here with a step-by-step guide to revert your account from a business or creator account back to a personal one. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram and log into your account. Then simply tap a profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Then, on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Then, in Settings and Privacy, scroll down and look for the Creator Tools and Content option available there. Once you tap on the Creator Tools and Controls, scroll down and tap on the Switch Account or Account Type and Tools option available there. Then select Switch to Personal Account from the available options. Instagram will show a pop-up window confirming the switch, noting that certain business or creator features such as insights and promotion will no longer be available. Tap Switch to Personal Account to confirm. So that is it. Once you complete these steps, your Instagram account will switch back to a personal profile. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.